How to change yarn. There are two scenarios for changing yarn. Either you've reached the end of your skein, or you need to switch yarn because you're making stripes or transitioning to another part of an amigurumi. When you've simply reached the end of your skein, you tie a small knot like this. Try not to leave a tail that's too long, or it will be visible. You can trim it a little closer, but not too much. Continue crocheting and try to hide the ends within your work as you go. Now, here's how to do it for a pattern change. We have our loop on the hook. Take the new yarn and place it against your work. Leave enough tail so it doesn't unravel. Hold it on the wrong side of the fabric. This is the new yarn we will pull through the loop. I'm working in rows, so I turn. Continue with your new color. To secure it, make a single or double knot, depending on your yarn. Trim the unused yarn if you no longer need it. If you still need it, like for the next row or two, leave it hanging and tuck it in later to keep it neat. That's how to change yarn color. Now I'll show you how to change yarn in the middle of a row. I've resumed with single crochet. Insert your hook under both loops of the next stitch. Don't finish the single crochet yet. Take the new yarn, place it like this and hold it in place. Finish the stitch using the new yarn. You can either leave the tails to weave them in later, or hide them as you crochet. In this case, I'm enclosing them as I work. Like this. This way, you get a clean transition.